This is Freestyle Anthem.
Today we're gonna talk about sound effects.
Sound effects.
Yeah. Okay, today there will be announcement. Adib and Azim will be joining us next week. In this recording
Station.
This station, yeah. So let's give a round of applause to them. Let's go. Yeah, nice one. Nice one.
Clap some more, clap some more.
Keep on clapping. Clap.
Alright, so they will be joining us, and yeah, the topic of the day is sound effect. So you've noticed our sound effect at the back. It's like something like this or something like this.
No.
Yep, so yes, and we will be making a video soon. So yes, we're making a video by one of us, and we'll be deciding who will make the video by competing with one another in the toughest activity of all. Let the battle begin.
Wait, let me stretch.
Stretching.
Scissors, paper, stone. Scissors, paper, stone. Scissors.
Oh, yeah, we have the result right here. We'll be back after this break. My room is always in a mess.
Oh, relax, dude, cause we have this service that could clean up your room in just 1 year and with a lifetime warranty. We not only clean up your room, but we also clean up your mother.
For real?
Oh, hell yeah!
Alright, I'm gonna sign up this shit now.
You better do.
Hi guys, we are back. So yes, and the winner is Zul. So yes, he wins. So he have the power to choose, to decide who will do this video.
How about the both of us? Since 2 is better than 1.
So wow. So two of you gonna make a video. What video you wanna make?
What video?
What video you wanna make?
It's gonna be full of laughter.
Oh really?
What video? Like, seriously,
So
what video?
do you want to let the others, the
The
listeners,
The listeners.
yes,
Decide.
to decide what you
I
guys?
think, yeah, they should. They should.
You give us, we make it.
You suggest me anything you want me to make, like
Except some
kretat. You know kretat?
cooking lessons, cooking tutorial, makeup tutorial.
Starting lesson. Oh,
Hairstyle. Oh, we will do it. Yep.
just
So
suggest and we
just suggest
choose.
and we choose. So yes, we'll be continuing after this break.
Bye bye. Hey boy,
Yes.
do you want to learn how to be a kung fu master?
Kung Fu Master. Wow.
Yeah, and you will learn how to talk and walk like a true kung fu master.
For real?
Wait, are you the boy from the previous house cleaning advertisement?
Uh.
No, go clean up your room now. Go cry to your mommy.
All right. So we are back.
Back to
We're back.
to reality.
Yeah, we're going to end this station with some love. Love.
I love love.
I love to love.
To love. I love loving.
Oh, oh.
Okay,
Look at her. Look at her. Oh my god.
my God, it looks like. Oh my. What the?
Azul. Yeah. So, yep, we are ending this recording. So, do look forward for our video.
Yep. My video and Zul video.
Yeah, I'll be in too. I'm I. Yes.
And make sure you suggest any.
No naughty things.
Know what?
No naughty things.
Yeah.
Yep, you can ask us to do a makeup tutorial or something like that. Cooking.
Cooking.
We will try our best to cook.
Humping. Dance. I can.
Alright, Aziz, alright. We're ending up.
No.
Subscribe to
No.
Freestyle Anthem.
Never.
Bye Bye.